way. Ooh, that sun's bright. Say, no way. No way. I'm going to say it now. No way.
Oh.
No way.
Oh. Oh.
Why are you trying to poke it out? No way. Don't do that to my camera. No way. Hey. Cypress Wolfe. Hey, you. Hey. Yes. Cypress. No way. Bye. No way.
Oh.
No way, Jose. No way, Jose. Where you going? Where are you going? No way.
My fiance's name is Brad Dennis. The first
Hmm.
time he said, "If you give me a chance, I'll make you the happiest woman." He has absolutely made good on it. Tell me who you brought with you today. I have brought so many special ladies with me
What's
today.
a wolf say?
My mom, Terry. This is Megan.
Oh, is that what a frog says? No way. What does a cat say? That's what a dog says? What's a cow say? Moo. So that's what you're going to be for Halloween, is a cow. And they go, moo. Right? No way. Yeah, moo.
What?
Treat.
Why?
What does a duck say? And a bird says, tweet, tweet. And a mouse says, squeak. What does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak. And a frog. Frog? What'd they say again? Ribbit. Okay.
Let's go shopping.
Alright. Bye, boo-boo. Gotta clean up the mess you just made. Okay? Love you.
Oh.